Mold growth can be a serious issue for homeowners in Kent, Washington. At AWR Restoration and Cleaning, we know how mold can affect your property and health. Let's discuss the top 5 causes of mold growth and how you can prevent them. Excess moisture, leaks, or high humidity can create the perfect environment for mold. Address leaks quickly and ensure proper ventilation to control moisture levels. Poor ventilation, trapped moisture in areas like bathrooms and basements can lead to mold. Use exhaust fans and improve airflow to keep these spaces dry. Leaky pipes or roof. Leaky plumbing or roofs can introduce moisture. Regular inspections and maintenance can help prevent these issues. Flooding or water damage. Mold can begin growing within 48 hours after flooding. Thoroughly dry affected areas and seek professional restoration services when needed. Clogged gutters. Overflowing gutters can cause water to seep into your home. Keep gutters clean to avoid water buildup and mold growth. If mold starts to spread, don't wait. Call AWR Restoration and Cleaning. We're local, certified, and here to help you tackle mold growth and restore your home. Contact us today at 253-364-0092. Visit us at advancedwaterrestoration.com. With AWR Restoration and Cleaning, your home and health are in expert hands.